Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be drawing this picture I found of Amandla and King Princess. I also want to talk about how I currently draw portraits with colored pencils. So I normally use Prismacolor Premier Color pencils, just their regular set, not the portrait set or any other special sets they have, because honestly I have the 48 pack and it's enough colors, and I don't know, it's honestly enough for me. And I really like this brand because their lead is soft, and so it makes blending a whole lot easier, and it just gives a nice smooth finish to your drawing. So as you can see here, I already have an outline drawn. So now that I'm going in with color, I usually like to start off by shading in a section of the face with my base color. So for darker skins, this is usually a light brown or a tannish color, really depending on how dark the skin is. So a good way to gauge what your base color should be is to look at the lightest shade that you can find in the person's skin. It's always good to start off with a light shade and to shade lightly, because it's easier to build up layers as you go. With Amandla's portrait, you'll find me constantly going in with like light shades of purple and some shades of dark blue, and also like some magenta, because I feel like those are her undertones. For darker skins in general, I would say that they have cooler undertones. I feel like I see more like blue and purple, so I try to incorporate that into the portrait to create and add depth to her face, and also to make her skin look more flesh toned. Adding in these undertones really just transforms the piece from 2D to more 3D and realistic. It also gives some character to the piece, which I like. Okay, now on to drawing King Princess. So when I draw lighter skin tones, I typically use peachier colors and warmer tones overall. It's a contrast, so you'll see me use a lot of pinks, peach, pastel hues of that sort, and some green, and maybe a little lavender for shadows.
Yeah. Can I put my, is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my, is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, baby? Yeah. Can I put
When drawing hair, I like to think of it as a mask, so I'll block in the darker colors first and then go over with lighter colors where the light will hit, because I think this produces a more realistic effect, and then lastly I'll go in and draw the smaller individual strands of hair. It may also be helpful to divide the hair up into sections so that it's easier to tackle. Anyways, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.